What's up, Stream Geeks? Paul here, and I cannot wait to show you the entire PTZ Optics booth here at IBC, starting with the PTZ Optics Move SE. If you come over here, I want to show you something that is really the future of live streaming. This right here is PTZ Optics Hive. And if you check it out, come a little closer because I really want to be able to see this. This is a cloud-based PTZ camera system, so you can very easily move and control cameras in ways that we've just never been able to before. If you've used a PTZ camera before, you know that using a joystick controller can be a little tricky at times. And check out, this is one of my favorite features. This is just the ability to pick an area of a scene, click a button, and the camera will just elegantly move in that direction. The reason why I'm showing you that is because all the new PTZ Optics cameras are Hive linked. That means you can take a PTZ Optics camera, log into the web interface, connect it to your PTZ Optics Hive account, and then literally unplug it, ship it anywhere in the world. As soon as it plugs in, you will have remote PTZ camera control and access for recording video, streaming, switching, and all of the pan tilt zoom controls that we just saw. So this is just such a big deal for remote production. You guys probably know I've been talking a lot about remote production. So I wanted to show you a couple of the cameras here and some of the features. So the very first camera that has come out that is specifically Hive linked is the PTZ Optics Zcam 4K. This is a really, really cool camera. Has all of that Hive linked functionality, so you can just ship it off and remotely control it. It's got NDI, HDMI, SDI, and USB, plus a USB 2.0, which you can use to power a light, similar to the Studio Pro here, so you can put a light on there. So we're talking to customers about remote interviews, radio stations, courtrooms, places that you don't need pan tilt zoom. And then I'll of course show you our most popular camera here is the Move 4K. This is the 30x model. This model can zoom into a subject from up to, well, you can zoom up to a head and shoulders from 150 feet away in 1080p mode. And also you can track, literally auto track a subject from up to 300 feet away. Now, one of the things that the engineers at PTZ Optics have been working on, of course, is the Superjoy Controller. This controller here has custom buttons, and they just added a new function to use this button up here. So you can just have this button set to snap focus, or take a picture, or start a recording, or start your streaming. So it's really interesting to see the custom buttons. You can use like the vMix API, you can control OBS, and a lot of cool things there. So the last thing I'll show you, one of the things with Hive that's really cool, you can have all of your studios here. So if you're a video production company and you work with multiple companies, I really think you should get a free Hive account. You can go to hive.ptzoptics.com and sign up for a free account and join the Discord. It's in beta right now, so it's testing. But you can have all of your clients organized here and you can do remote production for them. So if you work for a church, you don't have to go to the church. You can actually control the cameras, the video switching, and everything remotely. This is a big opportunity if you're starting a live streaming company and you want to be able to serve customers that are outside of your area of actually being able to drive to. You can cut down travel costs. Remote production is the future. So I wanted to show that really quickly. And then I wanted to show, just to give you the full demo here, this right here is the PTZ Optics Move 4K Web UI. Now the Web UI video quality is lower than the HDMI on this screen, right? So the Web UI has a kind of lower bandwidth, lower bitrate stream. But when I click auto track, one of the things I wanted to show is that it can now see every single person in the screen, and you can select who you want the camera to track. So you'll see here when we do this, it'll bring a box up over each person. So I'll choose myself, which is I think number 6 there, maybe number 5. Oh, 6 was over there. So it's going to track that person. But the nice thing as well is you can control the zoom. So you can literally have the camera doing the auto tracking and still have manual PTZ control, manual zoom control, having pan and tilt automated. So that's really cool. That's auto tracking. It also supports group tracking. So you can track a group of people using the auto framing feature as well. That's just a little tour of what we have here at the PTZ Optics booth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. We got more coming to you from IBC.